Hey guys, Sak here from SAKITECH, and in today's video what we have a bunch of amazing Samsung Galaxy smartphone wallpapers, just like this one right over here for your phone. So let's dive in and get started right away. All these wallpapers are going to be free, so let's download. Now to get started, all you want to do is you want to click the link down below. That's going to take you to my website. Once you're at the website, all the wallpapers are going to be listed right here. As you can see, number 1, number 2, and so on and so forth. So with number 1 is known as the live clock wallpaper. When you click this guy, it will take you to the store. This is the Samsung wallpaper store, and you can simply download and apply. This one we already saw. It is an amazing live clock wallpaper. So that's a fantastic little wallpaper. Let's move on to the next one. So the next one over here is a little bit different. This is known as a multi-pack wallpaper. So let's grab it real quick. I'm going to show you exactly what it does. So it is a collection of wallpapers. When you tap on apply, it says set on lock screen. Now once you apply these guys, what's going to happen is you are going to get access to a bunch of different wallpapers every time you go to your lock screen. So let me do that right now. So let me double tap here, wake it up. That's the one we got. Okay, now I log in, I go back out, we get another one, as you can see. Okay, so it is going to rotate through the wallpapers, and it's going to be a bunch of stunning wallpapers. So you're getting a bunch of wallpapers in one. Alrighty, so that's a multi-pack wallpaper. That's number 2. Number 3 is the Planet Earth wallpaper, my favorite in this collection. So when I click on this one, you're going to download that, click apply. It's basically Earth just rotating. All right, so let's take a look at that. Look at that, beautiful, nice, rich, and detailed. That's a real map of the world. Let's go back in. Let's look at wallpaper number 4. That's Polygon Live. All right, so let's click on it, apply, set, and then double tap, boom, boom. All right, there we go. So that's a live polygon wallpaper. Pretty cool over here. Nice color scheme. Now let's go back over here and look at wallpaper number 5. That's the crawler wallpaper. I just put this in here because it looked like it was interesting. So I'm going to tap apply, set on lock screen. Let's see what it does. So it's basically a skeleton crawling towards you. By the way, if you press and hold on the screen, it will play through the entire wallpaper, no matter how long it is. So you can do that if you want to see the whole thing. Now let's go inside. Let's look at the last bonus wallpaper. Now this is just a standard traditional wallpaper. It just looks nice, so I wanted to add this as well. So again, click the link. It takes you to the store. It's the Modern Tech wallpaper. Apply anywhere you want. Let's just do home screen for now. And there we have it. Nice and modernized. Crisp and clear lines. Any questions, comments, or concerns? Drop them down below. Let me know. For now, guys, have a fantastic day, all right? All right, so if you found this video useful, make sure to subscribe to SAKITECH by clicking that button, and also click that bell icon on the side to make sure you get notified every time I upload a new video. And if you do use Twitter, Instagram, or Facebook, you can follow me at SAKITECH Online to get the latest updates as well. All right, have a fantastic day.